चेयरमैन पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी ने वफाकी हुकूमत का हिस्सा न बनने का फैसला कर लिया। वजारत उस्मा की दौड़ से भी दस्तबरदारी का ऐलान कर दिया। इस्लामाबाद में पार्टी की सेंट्रल एग्जीक्यूटिव कमेटी के इजलास के बाद प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि अगर कोई जमात हुकूमत नहीं बना सकी तो नया इलेक्शन होगा, जिसके नतीजे में फिर से सियासी बहरान ही जन्म लेगा। लिहाजा वो इस सियासी बहरान से बचने के लिए वजीर आजम के उम्मीदवार को वोट तो दें, लेकिन काबीना का हिस्सा नहीं बनेंगे। इस मकसद के लिए उन्होंने कमेटी बनाने का ऐलान किया है।
Party does not have a mandate to form government, to form the federal government, और इसकी वजह से I will not be putting myself forward for the candidacy of the Prime Minister of Pakistan. There are two other groups, the Independent Group and Muslim League Nawaz, that have more numbers than the Pakistan People's Party in the National Assembly. The PTI has announced that they will not engage in a dialogue with the Pakistan People's Party. The Pakistan People's Party has decided that while we are unable, we're not in a position to join the federal government ourselves, nor would we be interested in taking ministries in such a setup. We also don't want to see political chaos in the country. We don't want to see perpetual crisis in the country. What are our options? If PTI doesn't want our votes, and if Muslim League Nawaz doesn't form a majority, and if I am not a Prime Minister candidate, and this House fails to elect a Prime Minister, and it fails to form a government, then we will have to go back for re-elections. And this will lead to another perpetuation of this political crisis, and want to end this environment of political toxicity. So to that end, the Pakistan People's Party will be willing to support on an issue-to-issue basis, and in the case of important votes, a candidate for the Prime Minister of Pakistan, to ensure that a government is formed, to ensure that political stability is restored, and that a government can be formed that can get to the work, get to the point of doing the job of the people of Pakistan. In that context, the Pakistan People's Party has decided that we will form a committee of members of the Pakistan People's Party to engage with other political parties.
बिलावल भुट्टो ने यह कहा है कि वो वफाकी हुकूमत का हिस्सा नहीं बनेंगे और वजारत उस्मा की दौड़ से भी दस्तबरदारी का ऐलान कर लिया है।